Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I am bringing you another video as part of my fall cleaning series. If you are new here, there's a series going on my channel right now that is called Fall Cleaning, and I am going through my house room by room and deep cleaning every single room, getting ready for the winter, getting ready for the holidays, and just giving my house a very thorough deep clean. So today's video, I am tackling my dining room, and I am also tackling my back deck. This is more so focused on the dining room, but I do get in on the back deck and like clean all the furniture out there and stuff like that. But mainly this is the dining room. So right now I am starting off by pretty much breaking down the chandelier that's in my dining room and just hand washing every single like little glass piece. And I'm also going to dust that light fixture. And then I'm going to jump in, just giving my dining room a good decluttering, cleaning off the table, taking the curtains down to throw those in the washer, doing some dusting, as well as cleaning the air vent in there, similar to what I did in the living room, which I am totally horrified by that. I also am pretty much removing every single thing from the dining room, like as far as like wall hangings and stuff like that. We have a new few pieces that we want to hang on the walls, so I figured what not better time to just kind of take what we have down that we don't want in the dining room anymore. So you will see me taking down like the wine rack I have in there and stuff like that.
Kiss me when you can, and my heart is bleeding red, so I can call you sweet again. No more crying too,
So from here, I am going to start on my floors. And I did want to just pop on quick and talk about the products that I'm using on my floors. So just to wash them, I just use water and vinegar, like obviously not straight vinegar, but watered down. I didn't move that giant buffet that I have in my dining room. You guys are just going to have to trust me that I did clean under there. But that weighs a lot, and I didn't want to move it. So the products that I use on the floor, I do wash it with water and vinegar, but then you will see that I go over it kind of like a wood polish, or it's called Rejuvenate. You can get it at Walmart. It is a little bit pricey, but I promise it is worth every single penny, and you will see how my hardwoods shine. Oh my goodness, it's so, so good. I try to do this to my floors twice a year, but let's just be honest, it's more like once a year. But yeah, you can get that at Walmart, and I did want to let you know that on the back of the bottle, it does say do not walk on your floors for at least 45 minutes. And I can tell you guys, like, do not walk on your floors for at least 45 minutes. If you do, like I walked on it one time with like my sneaker, and like my sneaker print was like imprinted in my floor, and it was like that until I like redid my floors again with the Rejuvenate. So it is really important to not walk on your floors for at least 45 minutes.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration.
So I certainly don't want to turn this video into a dark and somber video by any means, but here I am just going through my dining room buffet, and I am dusting all of my china. And again, I didn't clean the top of the buffet. You guys are just going to have to trust me that I did clean that off camera. Those are some extremely sentimental things that my mother gave me up there. For anybody that doesn't know, my mother passed away of breast cancer about 5 years ago. And, I'm just going to be honest, it didn't feel right to clean it on camera. So you guys are just going to have to trust me that I did clean it off camera. But yeah, so that's actually all my mother's china that I'm cleaning. And just that whole dining room buffet is just incredibly, incredibly special to me. And I was pretty upset with myself that I let it get so dusty, because I really shouldn't be doing that. But yeah, I wanted to know if you guys still have china. I really feel like that was like a thing in the 80s. Like, new brides would have to go pick out their china. And I'm 29, and none of my friends, like, I don't think that that's a thing anymore, right? And I have to be honest with you, I'm really, really sad that like getting china isn't more, like, I'm sad that that kind of tradition is gone. And I don't really know why. I'm not sure if it's maybe people view it as like clutter, or it's just kind of like not super practical. But I love my china, and I wish it would like come back. Like like I know it's like, I don't know if some people see it as clutter or something, but to me that's like a very healthy clutter, if that makes sense. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.
Made a map with all the stars, so you know you're not too far away from me. You're in night when it's my dark, and No, this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
So that pretty much wraps it up for the dining room, guys. I'm going to finish up washing the walls, and I am also going to obviously wash my dining room table, and I'm going to wash all of the chairs. And I also washed my sliding glass doors and all the woodwork surrounding that. I did edit out me washing all the chairs down because this video was just getting very long, and I just didn't think you guys wanted to watch me wash every single chair, given the length of this video. And then from there, I'm going to move on to the back deck. And the back deck isn't a very thorough deep clean. Like, it's an outdoor space, you know? But I did take all the chairs down into the yard. I actually took all of the stuff from the back deck and put it in the backyard, and I hosed everything down. I washed it down with a Method all-purpose cleaner, and some things went in the garage. Some things we brought up back to the deck because we do use our back deck even the winter. We love that space so much. We really just can't stop going out there. So we'll like bring our blankets out and everything even when it's freezing cold. We love it so much. So and then my husband just got out there and just kind of sweeped the deck and got all the leaves off and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, this mainly focused on the dining room, and I'm so sorry that I just like totally forgot to show you how clean my chandelier looked. Like, I hate that chandelier, and I definitely want to get a new one, but I'm pretty impressed with how beautiful it came out. You can see it in some shots, but I didn't really get up close, and I'm really upset with myself that I didn't do that, but it does look really nice. So that's the end of this video. I'm going to let some music play, and you can watch me clean the back deck. Thank you so much for all the love that you guys have been showing me on fall cleaning. I'm so happy to hear that you guys are like cleaning along with me and tackling your houses. That makes me so happy. I'm sorry that my upload schedule has been a little crazy. Fall cleaning is kicking my butt. It is a lot of work. And it was actually my birthday this past Thursday, so we have been partying. So got to get back on schedule, got to get back into a routine, but there will be more videos coming. Like I said, I'm going to have the playlist linked at the end of this video. I've already done 2 other videos, but there are going to be new videos uploaded weekly to fall cleaning, and I'm excited to tackle the rest of my house. So I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video.